Flea control is so important for both you and your pet. These itchy pests have a tendency to stick around, but luckily there are many ways to kill fleas. While most commercial flea treatments contain harsh chemicals or pesticides, there are several home remedies that are safe, effective, and cheap. One such remedy is Dawn detergent and vinegar. These two ingredients you may already have in your home. This flea eradicating lifesaver will eliminate the worry of harsh chemicals harming your pets. To bathe your pet using Dawn dish soap, you can use any scent. Fill the tub with warm water and pour in 1/2 to 1 cup of Dawn dish soap. Soak your furry friend in the soap and water for at least 5 minutes. Use the Dawn dish soap to lather and clean your dog, cat or any other flea-covered furry friend, starting at the ears and working your way to the tail. After he is dry, use a flea comb to groom and find fleas attempting to abandon ship. Drown any fleas on the comb by placing it in a bowl of soapy water. Flea combs can be purchased at any pet supply store and are an inexpensive must-have for pet owners. Additionally, you can pour 1/2 to 1 cup of vinegar to the Dawn bath solution. The smell will eventually wear off, but you can add scented oil to the bath water to cover it up. In fact, there are several essential oils that may actually repel fleas without repelling your family, such as lavender oil. Just be cautious, because both dogs and cats may respond differently to different scents. Fleas live not only on your pets, but on your furniture as well. If you have furniture that can be cleaned, use a solution of Dawn dish soap and water to wipe off the upholstery. Use Dawn to clean all of your flooring. Put a drop or 2 in a steam cleaner to clean your carpet. Do not add more, as it will create too many suds. This will help to rid the carpets of flea debris. You can also fill a spray bottle with a couple of tablespoons of vinegar and water. Use this on your pet between baths. This can also be misted on furniture, pillows, curtains and bedding. Adding different essential oils will make it a natural deodorizer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using onions. Thanks for watching and bye for now.